Hi Stampers, it's Kristy from KristyCoromandel.com and welcome to day 18 of our holiday blitz, 30 holiday projects in 30 days. And today we're going to create a little gift card holder. Now many years ago I had created a little gift card holder that has been extremely very popular. It's one of my most popular videos I've ever created, and project tutorials. And so today I thought I'll recreate that featuring the new product out of our annual catalogue, or actually out of our holiday catalogue. So I've got my designer series paper here. This is the brightly gleaming designer series paper, and this piece measures 9 5/8 of an inch by 4 inches across the top. And so we're going to do some scoring. Now you can use the scoring tool, or you could use your paper trimmer and scoring blade, which is what I'm going to do. So we're going to score at 1 3/4 of an inch. And you don't want to score too hard either, because we don't want to tear the paper up. So we've got 4 1/2 inches, 5 3/4, and then at the 7-inch mark. So I'm just going to extend my arm, move up to the 7-inch mark, and score again. Okay, and now I can set my paper trimmer aside. So next you're going to need a bone folder, and we're going to burnish all our folds. So go like this, and this way one we're going to turn up the other way. And then we'll fold this one here. Okay, so I'm going to have this nice foil piece is what's going to be on my outside, and then this will be my inside. So this is what your gift card holder should look like so far. So we're going to put our gift card in here. So to do that, I've got my little gift card. I am going to mark, put this in the middle, and I'm just going to use a pen or a pencil, whatever you got handy, to put a couple of mark lines. Okay, and then we're going to actually cut open this little thing here. So to do that, you will need a self-healing mat of some sort. Okay, you'll need one of your X-Acto knives, or a little Stanley knife here that you've got, and I like to use a metal ruler for this. Okay, so I'm just going to use my score line as a guide, and I'm going to slice it open using my little tool I've got here between those two marked lines that I've done. Okay, make sure I put that back away for safety reasons. Okay, then we can test it to see if our gift card's going to hold in here. Okay, and if it doesn't, then you can easily widen that up a bit more. If it does, which it does, it fits nicely perfect in here. That is awesome. Okay, so I can settle that aside now, and now it's time for us to start sealing this together. So to do that, I am going to use some tear tape. Now you want to be careful, because we want our gift card to actually go as far to the bottom as possible. So I'm only going to apply my adhesive on the side here. Okay, just going to put it on one side, and then again over on this side, and I can peel that off. And I'm going to fold that over, and using my bone folder here to burnish that. Okay, so that's all nicely stick. So let's try and stick our gift card in there, and that should be able to go all the way to the bottom, and therefore it will then stick up as well. It does that. Now if you did put tape across the bottom there, and your gift card can't go towards the bottom and it's sitting up halfway, you'll find that it won't really stick up very well. Okay, but it still should work. But I want to be able to keep it so I can put my gift card in a little bit further, just to hold that into place. Okay, and it sticks up nicely. So I have my little trio punch here and I've got this corner rounded section here. So I'm going to round off the top of my corner. So when this folds, it's going to go like this. And then your recipient will be able to open it and this will pop up and be like, wow, I've got a gift card. How awesome are you? Okay, so I'm going to stick these little corners in and round off my corners. Like so. Now it's time to just add a little bit of decoration to it. So I have a scrap piece of Very Vanilla cardstock. My greeting is coming from the Holly Jolly Christmas stamp. So I'm using the Love Santa section here. I'm going to ink this up using my Mossy Meadow. Got my stitched frame dies here. I'm going to take my smallest die and I am going to cut that out using my die cutting machine and then we'll be back. Okay, so here's our stamped image already die cut with our stitched dies. And then I've also gone ahead and used my layering circle dies. I've used this one right here to cut it out the scallop circle using my copper foil. So let's stick these two down together. So I'm just going to heat some tape and mat that so it looks like this. And now we can add this to our card, our gift card holder. So I'm just going to put adhesive on the top portion only of my little button here, or the little sign that I've got, and I'm going to center this so that I've got half on the top and half on the bottom. Okay, so it flips up like this. Okay, so now you've got a couple of options to create your closure. You can either use a Velcro dot, which I don't have any, or you can put a little glue dot or something underneath it just to hold that in place for your recipient to open. So there's a quick little gift card holder for you for this holiday season that you can use closer to Christmas. Thank you again for watching and I'll catch you in the next video.
Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse